Ready to start collaboration? Stay tuned and learn how to quick start your RS Plus. Use 2 fingers to pull up the display menu. Here you can adjust the display settings, sound or change source. You can select a theme for the interface. Next to Classic, there's a colourful education theme. You can also choose your own background and logo. Next to the plus, you can add fast keys to directly launch your favourite applications. The 6 main keys can be renamed, changed or even removed. These keys are connected to the source preview. File Commander gives you direct access to content in the cloud or external hard drives. So you can easily start your lesson and save any changes or annotations. Let's create. Object recognition enables you to write with the pen, move, pinch and zoom with your finger and erase with your fist. Select a tool, change colour and thickness, group items on the whiteboard, move them around and freely express your ideas. Use pixel or object arrays to modify. Share your notes easily to any device with the QR code. Let's go to the OPS PC. Newline OPS PCs are fully compatible with any education and Windows-based software. Make annotations on pictures, videos, Microsoft Whiteboard or PowerPoint presentations using the Annotations tool or Windows Ink. You can easily access all the main tools and apps. Improve the communication and the way to collaborate with the students with Google Classroom. Navigate and find all the resources that you need, such as videos, pictures, etc. Download all your favourite apps directly from the platform. Create, open and modify your documents. Display the content with touch from other devices such as Windows laptop or Mac. You will be able to connect your RS Plus to any external device that you need. With Newline's digital tools, you can share content wirelessly from other devices. Or to other devices. Share annotations before the end of the session by email, cloud, QR code or using an external drive.